Like most people, at times I've been in a position where I can't afford to shop or simply can't be bothered, and I'm forced into a ready, steady cook scenario where I need to create something from whatever happens to be in the house at the time. Of course, if the cupboards are truly bare, you'll need to rethink. But if you're like me, you buy things you think are going to get used and which often sit in the cupboard neglected. One such item is the humble tinned potato. Cheap enough, anywhere from 35p to around £1 for a 560 gram tin. Already part cooked for the canning process, they can't really be undercooked, but they do lack taste, so I prefer to use them in something rather than just as they come from the tin. This is a really simple recipe with only a few ingredients. Obviously the potatoes, some paprika, preferably smoked, stock cube, chicken's best, some black pepper, freshly ground is nice, dill tops or chopped dill, and a big knob of butter. Of course you'll need a saucepan to put it all in and something to stir it with. You should just use the water that's in the tin when you're making this dish. You won't need any more. The stock cube adds a nice base flavour to the dish. Teaspoon and a half of smoked paprika goes in. Bring everything to the boil and simmer it away for a while. Keep simmering and stirring until the liquid reduces by about half. At that point, you'll want to start adding other ingredients. teaspoon to a teaspoon and a half of dill, depending on what your taste for this stuff is like. It's quite a strong taste, so sometimes less is more. Once again, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll get my videos as soon as they come out.